Boom! Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. I'm Larry the Reviewer, and it's another mail call day. And here is a package that is a very important part of a fountain pen that I had to order for the Monteverde Engage. I won this and another pen that I haven't tried yet because, for reasons not yet known, or kind of I do know, but I just can't say until later. But anyway, let's catch your eyes on this. I found this on eBay, and I've been wanting one, but I didn't want to pay like 90 bucks or whatever. And it was used in good condition, so I bought the pen. Good deal. So when I got it home, when it came home, I tried to write with it. Of course, it didn't write. I cleaned it out, did everything it's supposed to do, and didn't write. So off I go to the races to get a new tip for it. So I got this in from Jet Pens. So thank you, Jet Pens. I bought this from Jet Pens. I was asking the people at Jet Pens what size tip was it, and they said they didn't know because the Monteverde Engage folks from Monteverde doesn't really have a size for the tip, so they couldn't say if it's extra fine, medium, or broad. So at least thank you, Jet Pens, for the honesty, for being up front. Now they're not all that expensive, the tips, not at all. But if you're going to use the Engage, you're going to need these. These come in nice and handy. So let's get this going. And then what I'm going to do with this mail call is just show you the tip. And then I'm just going to put it on the pen. And then I'll do a review on this pen this week. Probably like in a few days. What do you think? See, I already got ink in here for this tip. I'm going to lose that. And you have to unscrew the converter. So I am going to put the new one in. And you know what? Why not? Let's just go ahead and check out this pen and see if it's going to write. I'm flushing the ink down. And there's just not enough ink in there. Let's see. There's going to be enough ink so I can check it out. This one is working, so I'm a happy camper. And I will be doing a total review on this pen, so I just want to show you, let you know that I got a new tip pen from Jet Pens that I bought, and it was already inked up, so I'm just going to use this piece of paper right now and get to writing. And it writes real well, but that's cheap paper, so let's get some good paper here. Okay. I like it. Probably about a medium. I'm thinking, I'm just guessing. And I'm using the Monteverde Olivine green ink. So, we got to go on this. Perfect. Writes great. I'm a happy camper. Folks, that's going to end this.
Hold it. We have a super secret special surprise.
Uh-oh. Another mail call. Here we go. Super special. Here we go. Believe it or not, Mr. Announcer ordered a pen.
I bought a pen.
Can you believe that? He actually bought a fountain pen. Huh. And we'll do a mail call, like I just said, and then we'll do a totally update review on the pen. Is that cool with y'all? Is that cool? Cool. Dynamite. So, here's this pen. Comes in a box. Cardboard box. And I better get the name. because I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, right? Would you like to do the honors, or you want me to do it?
Let's see. This is
Silty.
a Celtic wood-turned fountain pen with marble wood pattern and antique brass finish.
You heard Mr. Announcer, so there's a name. And we'll open it up. Ta-da-da-da-da. Wow. Wow. That's a big honker. What a big honker. Wow. Harry Potter. Wow. Okay. Let me... Well, you got to make sure that it's a magnet. Okay. Yeah, I have to do a full review on this because I am totally not familiar with this pen whatsoever. It's got a magnet cap. Watch. And this is converter that comes with it, or a cartridge. So we just unscrew it. It is a nice looking pen. So let me see what kind of nibs
Does
on
it
this.
post magnetically too?
I'm going to check that out here in a second. And they got the Iki nibs, the Iridium Point German nibs. I mean, okay, cool. But looks like a, I don't know, number 5 maybe? That could be a number 6. I would change out the nibs because I just never like those kind of nibs. Never have, never will. That's just me. It's just a preference. There's nothing wrong with it. I just don't like them, okay? So anyway, so beautiful pen.
See if it posts.
See if it posts. Yep, magnetic also on the other end. Harry Potter, you are now a frog. Allah, you are now a cat. Yeah, it is beautiful work though. It is a beautiful pen. So, you want to stay tuned for the review on this pen. Now, that's going to wrap this one up. Until my next review, stay safe, be cool, don't let the bed bugs bite, and remember, don't text and drive. And one more thing, if you'd like the mail call review, update, letters, whatever, hit the OK button. Until next, bye-bye.